Let's have a look at what the MSI RTX 4060 Ti Gaming X Trio 8GB version has to offer. First, let's do the unboxing. I must say that it is very well packaged. Check it out. Even a small padding here to make sure that the GPU doesn't slide out during shipping. In terms of accessories, it does come with a GPU bracket, so you can install that to make sure that it doesn't sag. There's also a quick user guide in several languages. And that's it in terms of accessories. Have a look at the size of this thing. Wow. It is huge. Check it out. 2.5 slots. Look at how tall it is. And it is long. So I do expect a very silent experience with this card. The heatsink is massive. There's a lot of heat pipes in there. And this huge cutout, it all benefits the cooling. And the backplate, this is metal. Very nice. Power is delivered via this 8-pin power connector. In terms of display ports, we get 1 HDMI and 3 display ports. If you are planning to buy this GPU, then you need to make sure that your PC case can fit it. Because, check it out, it is approximately 340 millimeters long. The heatsink is seriously well equipped. There's 5 heat pipes coming towards this side and 3 pipes towards this side. Check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's put this thing into my PC. Despite its size, the graphics card is actually not that heavy. And as you can see, I don't have a bracket installed right now and it looks fine. It doesn't look like it's sagging even a little bit. So it should be fine without a bracket. Although a bracket is included with the graphics card. So you just install it like that to prop up the graphics card. However, due to how big this is, I don't like it. I'm going to use this thing instead. It is nice and discreet. I'll have it linked below if you are interested. Here's what the finished build looks like. This is my Be Quiet build powered by MSI. All the specifications are on the screen now. If you're interested, you can build one yourself using the links in the description below to purchase all the parts needed. And there is that GPU support. As you can see, it is very discreet, and that's why I like it. The system is absolutely silent when idle, and at the moment I'm stress testing it with Cyberpunk at 1440p. As you can see, the GPU load is at 99%. It's been running for a while. The room temperature is 19 degrees. That is 66, well, almost 67 degrees Fahrenheit. The GPU temperature stabilized at around 51 degrees. It's just jumping 50, 51. And the GPU fan is at 1100 RPM. The PC is still very quiet. I cannot hear the graphics card over this slight noise of the fans. and it is a very slight noise. Let me give you a little taste of that. This is a microphone. Have a listen. Yeah, at this point I'm pretty sure that you can hear more noise coming from outside my window because this system is that quiet.